Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video, let's explore what is new in the NestJS because NestJS is changing. I think now we have 11 dot something. I will be talking about what all latest features we see in the NestJS. NestJS is a backend framework which is evolving day by day, right? So signals and reactive state. This is one of the feature which I really like because when I explored it, because reactive programming, I know functional reactive programming with RxJS and observable, it is somewhat similar because signals are not the concept of NestJS that already exists in AngularJS, and NestJS is trying to adopt it really nice way. So in the NestJS 10, we have enabled seamless state management. Have you heard about managing the state at the server side? No, right? But with the observables, you can do that. You can manage the reactive state, and whenever the state changes, you can actually induce the flow through server side events to your UI components. So yes, there are some use cases of it. I mean, I have worked on the Angular. I know the uses of the observables, behavioral subject, and how this can be really helpful for the reactive programming. Deferrable view for performance, built-in cache module. Okay, accelerate data access. This is something new that they have now a built-in cache module. SWC compiler integration, Fastify V4 integration, because these integrations and these updates are not going to impact the developer. There are no breaking change. It's just all about improving the performance of the NestJS. SWC compiler integration enables super fast build with a 20x. That means whatever, if it is taking 10 seconds, now it is going to take 2 or 3 seconds, right? 20x faster or maybe less. Enhanced developer experience, reduce build times and streamline backend workflows, right? So resource-based CRUD and lazy loading. Lazy loading is a concept of Angular and it is already inspired with the Angular modular structure. Simplified API development. There is a resource-based CRUD enabled. So let's say if we want to build a simple CRUD operation, you can just write a module and it will enable the CRUD operations on that entity, right? Just like a one-liner. Standalone applications and testing enhancement. I use standalone application a lot. Standalone application means like NestJS can be used for building APIs. What if I'm not building API? What if I'm just writing a simple Lambda function? What if I'm just writing a simple CLI application? I just need a NestJS dependency injection container and I will just invoke a functions on top of that, right? Once you create a NestJS DI container, you can write a bootstrap function, get the targeted service you wanted to call, and dot invoke or dot init method or anything, right? You can build a standalone CLI application in that, right? And now testing utilities, I mean, with the AI, I stopped writing tests, but yeah, there are a lot of testing in enhancement has been done. Obviously, TypeScript latest features 5.x is supported, and obviously TypeScript is also evolving, and to keep up with the TypeScript, obviously NestJS is TypeScript heavy. You need to enable all sort of those features to have it, right? So major project upgrade is like signals, deferrable views, lazy loading, SWC compiler, adopting new practices. So all those things. What I'm going to talk about is the signals end to end with the demo examples, so that this can help you to build a real-time application in future. How NestJS reactive programming using RxJS and observables enables the signals feature which is available in Angular.